Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to clear the run history on your Windows computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So we're going to start by opening up the search menu. Type in regedit, R-E-G-E-D-I-T. Best match should come back a Registry Editor. Go ahead and right click on that and select Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And now before you proceed in the registry, I would suggest you create a backup of it. So if anything were to go wrong, you could easily restore it back. In order to create a backup, it's very simple. All you have to do is select File and then Export. File name, I'd recommend naming it the date in which you are making the backup. Set export range to all and then save it to a convenient and easily accessible location on your computer. And if you ever need to import it back in, all you have to do is select File and then Import and navigate to the file location. So pretty straightforward. And now we're ready to begin. So we're going to start by double clicking on the HKey current user folder. Do the same thing now for the software folder. Same thing for Microsoft. And now you want to locate the Windows folder and double click on it. Same thing for current version. And then locate Explorer, expand Explorer. And then there should be a Run MRU folder here. You want to go ahead and just right click on this Run MRU folder and select Delete. Select Yes. And now you can just close out of here and just restart your computer. And there you go, guys. It should have cleared the run history. So if you open up run, so just want to show you guys that run still works here, but it should clear any of the history that was saved in here. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.